And?
It looks nice.
Is every other one enough? Is it too much?
It's not too much.
Good.
Switch off the light, please. This looks nice.
Looks cool, right?
Yep.
Total darkness. That's cool, right?
I like it.
And blinking effects are annoying or cool?
They're cool. It just...
And I mean, what happens if they're intertwined, right?
Yeah.
Orange and blue, every
Yeah,
other one.
yeah.
Is that's probably gonna be too much, right?
Too much like what?
Too much light. Like if they were actually intertwined, instead of having every other one, we did a blue layer and an orange, and they were all together.
I think we could try it just to see how it looks like. It could be too much, yes. I think your battery is empty.
Yep. Let's get more.
Okay, should I switch it off?
Your very own OT resident DJ, Brian P. This is Opulent, a podcast with a purpose.
Cool. Thank you.
Wait. Is it
Cover it.
on off?
Yeah, you got it.